Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 8th February 2025, Thai Masam 26th, Krodhi Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Hemant Rido, Thai Masam, that is Magara Masam, Shukla Paksham up to 9:59 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi. Saturday, that is Thiravasram, Nakshatram up to 7:52 p.m. Mrigashirsham, then Thiruvadirai. Today's Rahu Alam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 3 p.m. Guliyagalam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Good time 7 to 8 a.m. Then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:39 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 8:13 a.m. Tuladarashi, then Vrchika Rashi. Shulam is